Hello, if you're watching this video, this is just a short introduction onto how you can share your project idea with the classroom on OutSchool so that we can check each other's work, we can peer edit, we can offer advice, suggestions, and learn from each other. So if you decide to go with Story Jumper, this is a free website where you can make ebooks that have an audio narrative, and you're going to sign up. I already have an account here, but I'm just going to make another one for the purpose of this video. So I'm not going to sign in with Google because it would go to the account I already have. Instead, I'm going to choose a username, a password, re-enter my password, and then choose my birth date. And then enter an email address. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to click here that I'm a teacher and I want to use Story Jumper with my students, because then I'm going to have a class code I'll have to enter. But since we're on OutSchool, it doesn't recognize class codes. So I'm just going to click sign up. Oh, for some reason my passwords didn't match. Let me try again. My passwords didn't match, but I'm signing up. And now I can go ahead and I can create a book. So once I create a book, you can start from blank or you can start with a template. You're also welcome to download the book that I created and I shared with the classroom and use my template as a guide. But the key here is that we want to be able to share the link onto the classroom. So first I'm going to watch this to see how I can use this to edit my book. But in this case, I already know, so I'm going to save and exit. And then I'm going to make the book public. Right now it's a private book. I want to make it public so that I can share it. You can also decide to do family and friends, and only people with the book's link can see it, which you might want to do if you're putting personal information. Or if you're concerned about that, you can use avatars and clip art instead of pictures. But in this case, my book is pretty general, so I'm going to make it public. I'm going to copy the link, go back to OutSchool, and I'm going to paste it right under here where I've already pasted my example link. Now, if you choose to do a Google Docs or a Google Slides presentation, you can go up to the share button in the upper corner, and that'll give you a shareable link where people can look at your project, but they can't edit it in any way. So I would go there and copy again, and simply go back to the classroom, paste, and send. And now I have my project link under the correct post, and all of my classmates can see as we go along the course, and everybody will be able to engage with each other. If you decide to make a YouTube channel, a blog post, a website, or some other type of ongoing project, you can simply paste the link here as well. If you have any questions, please let me know by putting a comment here on the OutSchool Classroom tab, and it will automatically generate an email to me so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great time in class.